I want to give you just a little bit of taste for some statistical terms that you'll be seeing in your math life ahead. The definitions of a mean or an average of a list of data is the sum of the items divided by how many items are in the list. Now, differentiate that from the median of an ordered list of data. Now, in this case, it has to be ordered, is the number in the middle, the middle number. If there are two middle numbers, then it's the mean or average of those two middle numbers. And finally, the mode of a list of data is the number that appears most often in that list. If there's a tie, you can have more than one mode. Okay? Consider this list. I already have it in order for you. Okay? That made it easy. The mean, or average, of this list is the sum of the items divided by how many items are in the list. So we would add them up. Trust me, I get 490. And I would take that 490 and divide it by how many numbers are in the list. 7 in this case. 490 divided by 7 is 70. So the mean comes out real nice this time. It's 70. Now the median is going to be the number in the middle. I see right there in the middle, because they had to be in order first, is the number 67. So while the mean is 70, I hope you see the median is different. It's 67. The mode is going to be the value that has been chosen most often. I can see there are two 54s, so he definitely wins. 54 is the mode in this list. Now sometimes it can get a little bit confusing. For instance, we can't even begin. We can't even begin until we have an ordered list. This list isn't in order. You see, you start with 7, then 15, then 7, then 4. We have to put it in numerical order before we begin. Okay, now it's ordered. Now we can begin. The mean, or average, in this case, is going to be the sum of the items divided by the number of items in the list. So I'll add them up. They actually didn't have to be in order to add them up, but I still get 87. Now, I'm going to take that sum and divide it by how many numbers are in that list. In this case, it's 10. It doesn't come out even, but it does come out to 8.7. So the mean or average in this case is 8 7/10. The median, once you've ordered them, is going to be the number that's right in the middle. Now this is an even number of values, so there really isn't a middle number. There's two middle numbers. So in this case, the median is going to be the average of those two middle numbers. So I'll add them up and divide by 2. The median in this case is 8.5, or 8 5/10. That was a weird one. Also, in this case, there may be a weird mode. The mode is the number that appears most often. Now in this case, there are 3 7s, but there are also 3 10s. So I have two modes, 7 and 10. It could happen. Okay, go practice that information. Dig in on that homework. Get to work.